Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add borders to images in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the image to which you want to add the border. Okay, now go on bottom, slide to the right, and here you will see this option style. Just click on it, and here you can select a different type of borders. For example, I want a dotted border like this. Just increase its border weight like this. As you can see. So that's how you can add a border in Canva. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.